Hello students, today I am going to teach you simple interest in this class. As you know, when we need to borrow money from a bank or money lender for a certain period of time, at the end of this period, we have to pay back the money which we had borrowed plus some addition money for using the lender's money. For this, we use following terms. Now start. What are the terms? Principal. Do you know what is principal? The money borrowed is called the principal of the sum. The money borrowed is called the principal or the sum. Now, second term is interest. The additional money paid by the borrower is called the interest. The additional money paid by the borrower is called the interest. Third one is amount. The total money paid by the borrower to the lender is called the amount. The total money paid by the borrower to the lender is called the amount. Next come rate. Do you know rate? What is rate? The interest on rupees 100 for a year, 1 year, is known as the rate percent per annum. So after that, I am going to write you formula. See, in formula we use principal. So in short we write P. Rate, short we write R. Percent and time is T. Do you know simple recognize in the question when principal is given? How do you know that this is principal? When any digit is given in rupees, so simple way to know that this is principal. And when it is given percentage sign with the percentage sign, so think that this is rate. And when it is given in years, so simply you can unknown that this is time. Now I am going to write you formula. First formula is on simple interest is SI. SI equal to P into R into T by 100. Second one is P equal to SI into 100 by R into T. Third one is R equal to SI into 100 by P into T. Fourth one is T, SI into 100 by P into R. So if you learn one formula, you can make other formula yourself. See, what is the difference? Simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Okay, so principal, rate and time. Three things are given. Suppose one you have to find principal. So always you have to multiply by SI into 100, like cross multiply. So whenever you have to find out P, SI into 100, and what terms are left. If you are finding P, R and T is left, so R and T will be come here. And whenever you have to find out R, same, always you have to write SI into 100 and what terms are left, P into T, so P into T is here. Then next time you have to find out time right here. What is left? SI into 100, always I told you to write. And what is left term? P into R, so P into R is here. Okay, now question formula 5, amount. Amount equal to principal P plus SI. SI means simple interest. So this is the formula. Convert into year. Suppose some time is given. Time. How to convert time into year? Convert into year. Sometimes time given in the question that days. So what you will that time you do, days divided by 365 means days divided by 360, and days divided by 360, month divided by month divided by 12. Okay, now I am going to explain you first question on the related of how to find simple interest as well as amount. Find the simple interest and amount is the first question. Find the simple interest, find the simple interest and amount. Okay, if question is given, suppose principal is given rupees 1000 and time is given 2 years and rate is given 5%. Simply put in formula, SI formula. First SI equal to P into R into T by 100. Okay, you write the formula first. Now everything is given. See the value. What is P? 1000 rupees. Rate is given 5% and time is given 2 years. Okay, and divide by 100. Now how do you cancel? Just to think, before cancelling you see how can you cancel easy way. Okay, take it easy. Okay, so what we see, 0 0 we can cancel, 0 0 2 0 2 0. What is left? 10 5 2. 10 5 is 50, 52 is 100. So interest comes 100 rupees. So you find, now you can know simple interest is 100. Now you have to find amount. So what is the formula of amount? Amount equal to principal plus SI. Principal is given 1000 rupees plus SI is given 100 equal to, now you can add it, and 1000 plus 100 equal to 1100 rupees. This is the answer. Okay, very easy way you can do also. This is the very easy way. I think, is it clear? And you can do yourself. Okay, try yourself first.